Okay, in this video I'm going to be going over Module 15.1, Explain 3, which is evaluating logarithmic functions using a scientific calculator, and we are on page 750. This video is going to be fairly short because it's literally just going over how to plug it into a calculator. So let's read. You can use a scientific calculator to find the logarithm of any positive number x when the logarithm's base is either 10 or e. When the base is 10, you're finding what is called the common log. So the common logarithm is when you have base 10. And you use the calculator's log key because log base 10 of x is also just written as log x. So it's kind of like when you have the square root, we don't write the 2 on the outside as the index, we just know that it's a 2. Same type of thing here for your log x. We know, and it is understood that the base is 10 there. When you have base e, you are finding what is called the natural log. So the natural logarithm is the ln key, and that's log base e. So it says, example 3, using a scientific calculator, use a scientific calculator to find the common log. Remember, common log was base 10, and the natural log, that's base e, of the given number. Verify each result by evaluating the appropriate exponential expression. So let's see what that looks like in A. So in part A, it says, find the common log of 13. So I'm finding log base 13, and I'm finding the natural log, which remember is log base e of 13, which is also just written as ln 13. So first find the common logarithm of 13, which they plugged into the calculator right here. Log of 13 is 1.139433352, and so on. And the way that they are confirming it or verifying their results, which it says to do there, is that they are, that they then take the base. Remember, the base of the common log is 10, so it's 10 to the 1.14, because they rounded it here, and they got approximately 13. So yes, log of 13 is 1.1, 1.1139, so forth. Then it says next find the natural log of 13, round the result to the hundredths place, and then raise it to the e. So the natural log of 13 is 2.56494, and so forth. Since we're rounding to the hundredths place, that's going to be 2.565. And so if we take e to that power to verify, we do get approximately 13. So another example of this, let's go here, would be, let's try 0.42. So let's find the common log of 0.42, and I'm going to switch over. I don't have a calculator on my, or handy for you guys to see, but I'm going to do it here through the internet, and all I did was Google calculator. So I need to do the log of, it was 0.42, and I press enter, and I get negative 0.377. Let's flip back. Negative 0.377. And then to verify that, I'm going to take 10 to that same power. So I'm going to take 10 to the negative 0.377 and see if I get approximately 0.42. So back to my calculator. I take 10 to the power of negative, there's a negative sign on here. Let's see if that works. Negative 0.377. And I do get approximately 0.42, right? This would round up to 0.42. So yes, that worked out. So then it says next find the natural log of 0.42, round to the nearest thousandths place. So back to my calculator, the natural log is ln. So ln of 0.42, I get negative 0.868, right? If I rounded to the thousandth, that would be an 8. So 868. So negative 0.868. Now if I raise e to verify to the 0.868, I should get approximately 0.42. Let's switch over and let's try that. E to the power of negative 0.868 equals, again, approximately 0.42. So back to here, and yes, I did verify it. So I said this one was going to be fairly easy. Again, it's just because we're teaching you how to plug it into your calculator. So remember, the common log is the log button on your calculator, and the natural log is the ln button on your calculator. So go ahead and try your turn 11 and 12 and see if you can figure out what those are. Good luck.